Well, here's something new. Uh, you might want to take this into consideration if you have chickens. There's a lot of stuff going on in this world, and it ain't all good. You can't hardly trust anything anymore. Thank God that we do have the internet left, that we can get these words and stuff out, what's going on. I'll put a link to this lady's channel. And the best thing that you can do is go watch it. This is not good. This is not good. Anyway, it's Autumn's backyard garden. Go check it out. You gotta learn something here. This ain't good, people. This is not good. Thanks for watching.